Nutrition in animals. Animals and humans are heterotrophs because they cannot prepare their food. They depend on plants for their food requirements. We will learn about what happened to the food when it enters the body of animals and how it helps in the growth, repair, and functioning of the body. The component of food such as carbohydrates are complex material. So, carbohydrates need to be broken down into simple forms like glucose. The breakdown of complex substances present in food into simple form is called digestion. Nutrition in animal is the mode of intake of food and its utilization by the body for various functions. Now we will take basic steps of nutrition in animals. The basic process and steps of nutrition in animals is the same for all animals, whether it is microscopic unicellular organism like amoeba or complex multicellular human being. The nutrition in animals is complicated, so it will be completed in the 5 steps. So first step is ingestion. Ingestion is the process by which food is taken into the body, and different animals have different ways of ingestion. Digestion. It is the second step of nutrition. It is the process of breaking solid complex food into simpler form. And third step is absorption. In this process, the soluble products of digested food are absorbed in the cells of the body. And fourth one is assimilation. After absorption, assimilation process is done. Food nutrients when absorbed by the body are utilized for growth, development and energy. The process is called assimilation. And now next and last, egestion. The process of removing undigested food from the body is called egestion. Now nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular microscopic organism. It is found mostly in ponds and ditches. And it has a cell membrane. In the structure of amoeba, we will look membrane, yani cell membrane, a round nucleus and several small vacuoles in the cytoplasm. It constantly changes in body shape due to the presence of pseudopodia. Pseudopodia, pseudopodium is a singular word and pseudo is the false and podium is feet. Pseudopodia are the finger-like projections used for movement and to capture food. Nutrition in amoeba is holozoic. Means holozoic type of nutrition, solid food particles are ingested which are then acted upon the enzymes in the body and digested. Amoeba is an omnivore feeding on both plants and animals, that is called omnivores. Its diet include bacteria, microscopic plants like the diatoms, minute algae, and microscopic animals like protozoa, nematodes, and even dead organic matter. Since it is an unicellular organism, amoeba does not have any specialized structure or organ for the process of nutrition. It takes place through the general body surface with the help of pseudopodia. So now we will study about the steps of nutrition in amoeba. First is ingestion. Amoeba ingest the food with the help of pseudopodia. The pseudopodia enclose the food and form a cavity called food vacuole. This is called ingestion in amoeba. Second, the food is digested in the food vacuole with the help of digestive enzymes. This is called digestion of food in amoeba. And third step, the digested food is then absorbed directly into the cytoplasm of amoeba by the process of diffusion. This is called absorption. And fourth step, the absorbed food is now utilized to obtain energy and carry out other life processes. This process is called assimilation. The undigested food inside the amoeba is thrown out by the rupturing of the cell membrane. This process is called egestion in amoeba. So now we have studied all 5 steps which are the basic steps of any microscopic or multicellular human being and any animal. So it's complete in 5 steps.